A capacitor is a small cylindrical device inside your AC unit that supplies and stores energy. It has the ability or capacity to save energy in the form of an electrical charge. When your thermostat tells your air conditioner to cool the house, the capacitor's job is to provide 240 volts to start up the compressor, fan motor, and blower motor. After the capacitor jump-starts those parts, your AC can begin cooling outside air and blowing it throughout your home. As your air conditioner is running, the capacitor collects and stores energy, similar to a rechargeable battery. Each time your air conditioner turns on, the capacitor provides a new blast of energy. Depending on your air conditioning unit, it may have multiple capacitors. The run capacitor, also sometimes called an AC capacitor, uses its stored energy to turn or run the fan motor. Without the run capacitor, the fan cannot turn. The start capacitor provides the initial energy needed for startup. A lot of torque is necessary to start up the AC system, so a start capacitor will have greater capacitance than a run capacitor. A dual capacitor powers both the fan and the compressor, which is the big pump housed in your outdoor cabinet that circulates refrigerant between the indoor evaporator and outdoor condensing unit. Most run capacitors are designed to last about 10 years. That said, failed capacitors are probably the most common cause of AC repair. One thing that could shorten its lifespan is letting the fins of your outdoor coil get so dirty and clogged, air cannot circulate properly, making the compressor work harder. If you notice that your AC no longer blows cold air, your AC creates a low humming sound that wasn't there before, your energy bills have been increasing, your AC sometimes does not turn on right away or does not turn on at all, your AC turns off unexpectedly, your run capacitor may be reaching the end of its lifespan. If you have any concerns about your home's air conditioning unit, it is best to call in the professionals. Eyman Plumbing Heating and Air can repair any air conditioner quickly and efficiently, saving you time and money. Call Eyman when the summer temperatures begin to creep into your home.